Welcome, here I've got UMIDIGI X and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. By tapping on it we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have water capture option. So by using this button from the right we can turn on the camera watermark and turn it off as we need. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture to see the watermark at the real one. To see the photo now let's move to the left to this button. When we tap here we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our picture with the watermark in the left corner at the bottom. So let's get closer to it now. And this is how it looks like, shot on UMIDIGI X 48 megapixels auto intelligent triple camera. And of course when we don't need it we can go back to the camera, then to the right corner here to the settings, and use this button to turn off this option. Now when we take another picture the watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.